Hi, so in this session we are going to discuss our original problem, that is finding the largest number among n elements. Okay, so now we know about arrays and that will be an easy problem to solve now. So what you will be given is, you will be given an array of n elements where n will be provided by the user. Let's say it is 1, 5, 2, 6, 7, 9 and 8. Here n is 7. So your largest number amongst these elements is actually 9. So your answer should be 9. Right? So our problem is, you are given an array of n elements and we have to find out the largest amongst those n elements. Okay. So how can we solve this question? I think now there is a very easy way to solve this question, that one by one you can maintain what is the largest up till now. Right? So what I mean is, let's say initially you have maintained that my maximum is minus infinity. When I come to this element, I will be going one by one to each element of the array, starting from 0 and going till 6th index, or for n elements I will be going till n minus 1 index. At each point I will compare the ith element. Like here is a 0th element. The 0th element is greater than the maximum up till now, because 1 is greater than minus infinity. So maximum up till now will become 1. Right? Now when you will go to this ith element, that is first element, this element is greater than the maximum up till now. So up till now your maximum will become this new element, which is 5. Okay. Now when you will come to this 2, this 2 is not greater than maximum up till now. So your maximum will still remain same, that is 5. Now when you will come to 6, 6 is greater than maximum up till now. So you will say that your maximum will become 6. Now you will go to 7. This is greater than maximum up till now. So your max will become 7. When you will go to 9, 9 is greater than the maximum up till now. So your max will become 9. You will go to 8. 8 is not greater than the maximum up till now. So your max will still remain to be 9. This part is over. After coming out of this array, you will have your maximum, that is 9. So you will have your maximum amongst these n elements. Okay. So now it's a very easy problem to solve. We don't have to write n conditions now. We can just iterate through a loop and check if any new element is greater than the maximum up till now. I will update the maximum. If it is not greater than up till now, I will not do anything. Okay. Initially I will maintain maximum to be minus infinity. That means if I have an array of 0 elements, that means my answer will be minus infinity, or in our case it will be integer dot main underscore value. Integer dot main underscore value is the lowest integer possible, so we can say it is close to minus infinity. Okay. So if we have an array of 0 elements, our answer will be integer dot main underscore value, because there can be negative elements as well. So this is the smallest integer available in Java, and we can initialize our by default value of max with this. Okay. So let's quickly solve this question through the code, and let's do it in a separate file. So let's make a new class, largest of numbers, let's say, and having a main. Let's just copy the code of taking input and printing the array. I don't think we need to take copy of printing the array. We can just take the input of this, that how we are taking input of array, and we can use the same function like here. So we have our function take input. So this will give us the array which has been taken as input. Our next task will be to calculate the largest element. So this will give me, this function will give me, I will pass an array to it, it will give me the largest element possible, and my aim will be to just print out this largest element. Okay. So this largest has not been defined. Let's just define it. Public static. What will be the return type of largest function? I think it will be an integer because it is returning an integer which is largest in the array. Largest is the function name and you are getting an array with you. Okay, right? So it is expecting an integer to be returned. So we will return it, but we will apply a logic to calculate the largest. So our logic is that we will maintain a max. Initially it will be integer dot main underscore value. This is like minus infinity. Now we will go to each value one by one for int I equal to 0, I lesser than array size. How we get array size? We get array size through the property of length. Array dot length I plus plus. This is like here. Now we need to compare the ith element with the maximum up till now. We need to update the maximum only if the current element is greater than the maximum up till now. That we can do by writing a simple condition that if array of ith is greater than the maximum, that means it is greater than the maximum up till now. So our new maximum will become this array of ith. We will update only if array of ith is greater than maximum. If it is equal or lesser than maximum, I think we don't care. We will just skip that part. And in the end, we just need to return that maximum. This will be our answer. And I think our simple function is over. How we can calculate the largest of n elements. Okay, so let's quickly run this and check if it is working perfectly fine. Let's pass an array of 6 size, enter element at 6 index 4, 2, 9, 6, 1, 3. So our largest is coming out to be 9. Okay, so perfect answer amongst 4, 2, 9, 6, 1, 3. Our largest is 9. So our logic is perfectly working fine. This is how we iterate on array, right? I equal to 0, I lesser than array dot length, and we can calculate the largest. Now it's your task to solve few other problems, simple problems on array. You will have problems on CodeGen. Just try to solve that. Going further, we are going further, we will be going deep into how arrays are stored, how these functions calls are happening. Okay, what is happening behind all of this? So we will see that in the next sessions. Make sure you attempt 2 or 3 problems which are given to you of arrays. Those are very simple problems. Once you understand all of this, you will be able to solve them. Okay, great. Thank you.